Yes, children, did you all enjoy seeing the rhyme? Yes, was it nice? Yes or no? Yes? I can't hear it from anyone. Did you all like that? Yes? No? Yes, very good, very good, very good. Okay, children, now shall we start the session? Yes, I want all of you to stand up. Yes, ma'am?
Good morning, Kumaru.
Yes, what, Rohita? Tell me. Rohita? What, ma? What? I'm not able to hear you, Rohita. Sorry, Rohita. Okay. Okay, children, all of you stand up, join your hands, close your eyes now. Come on. Yes, come on, all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes.
Your laptop.
Join hands and close your eyes. Come on. Yes. Ready? It's the anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wings beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Yes, open your eyes, children. A big good morning to everyone.
Vanilla
Yes.
mom, you're not visible.
Okay. Now am I visible?
Yes, mom.
Okay. Sorry. Sorry. It was in presentation, right? So I didn't switch on my video. Okay, children. Now you all can see me? Yes. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Yes, a big good morning, children. No, I can't hear you. Dev Krish. A loud and big good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Okay, very good. Yeah, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Okay, children. Ready for the activity? Yes? Are you all ready? Okay, today you're all going to dance. Okay, ma'am is going to play a song. You're going to dance. Okay, whatever steps you want to put, you can dance. Okay? You can dance freely. Are you all ready? Come on, stand up. Stand up, everyone. Siddharth is sitting. Everyone, I want all of you to stand up. Come on.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to. Hot girls all over the world. Original King Julian for the girls, man. I love how all the girls they love to move their body. When you ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, and that's sweet, fantastic. Mix upon the ocean at the big Titanic. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Woman, the cure, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Woman, the cure, and you don't need no makeup. Original cute body makeup on mother. Eyeliner, for the face to make fun, man up nose powder. For the face to make fun, man up pluck your eyebrow. For the face to make fun, man up cut your lipstick. For the face to make fun, man up. Woman, you nice bird face, and you nice hip. Make fun flip and bust them lip. Woman, you're nice and need to get thick. Mix your body ocean at the big Titanic. Woman, you nice bird face, and you nice hip. Make fun flip and bust them lip. Woman, you're nice and need to get thick. Mix your body ocean at the big Titanic. Oh, 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 oh. I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. He like to move it, move it. She like to move it, move it. We like to move it, move it. They like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. 3, 2, 1. Goodbye to you. Farewell.
Yes, children. Yes. Okay. Did you all dance well? Yes, I saw many of you dancing very well, children. You all liked this session? Yes, instead of rhymes, instead of warm-up activity, we did this dancing, right? Okay, children. Now ready for the attendance, children, all of you. If you want to go and drink water, go and drink water and come back. Come on. Drink water and come back. Yes, come on, all of you. Drink water. At least drink 1 glass of water and come back. Is ready? First, Devarakshita. Devarakshita. Okay. Next is Darshika. Darshika. Darshika is not here. Okay. Dhanvin. Others, please mute yourself. Zeddy, mute yourself, Zeddy. Yes, when I call you, you can answer Zeddy. Okay, mute yourself. Come on. Next is Dikshan. Dikshan.
Studying in junior KG.
Very good, Dikshan. Dev Krish. Yeah. Thank you, Dev Krish. Farnaz. Farnaz. Farnaz is here? No. Hashni.
My name is Shashni Acting
Janavi.
Janvi studying junior KG and girl.
Very good. Karthikeyan. 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 Kavyarni.
Hello, Emily. Hello, Emily. My name is Kavya. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good. Nitek.
My name is Naiji. I am studying in junior KG.
Nukshita. Good Nitek. Nukshita. Yes, Nukshita. Pranita.
Good morning, everyone. I am Brita. I am studying tonight.
Very good, Pranita. Ritvik. Ritvik.
I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Ritvik. Rohita.
Right hand. My name is Chapu.
My name is Soitan Father. Chinna.
Very good, Rohita. Sorry. Satvika.
My
Satvika.
name is Satvika Shrey. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Siddharth.
So first listen. My name
My name is Rai. I'm studying in junior KG. 4 years old.
Very good. Very good, Siddharth. Tarnika.
My name is Tanika. I am studying in junior KG.
Very good, Tarnika. Tilakar. 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 Okay. Vidyut. Vidyut also is absent. Vishank. Vishank. Vishank.
Say good morning. Good morning, Vanilla.
Good morning, Vanilla man.
My name is Vishnu.
My name is Shashank. I'm studying in junior KG.
Very good, Vishank. Vivan. Tell me, Vivan. Good morning, Vanilla ma'am. Okay, thank you, Vivan. Zadi.
My name. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jyoti. My name is Jyoti.
I'm studying in.
I am studying junior KG.
Very good, Zadi. Very good. Thank you so much, Zadi. Okay, children, attendance activity is over. Next, we'll move on to our concept. Okay, children. Before that, we'll finish off with our alphabet rhymes, phonic rhymes. Okay? Shall we start? Yes. First, what is the first alphabet, children? Tell me what is the first alphabet. Come on, who is going to sing? A. For A, who is going to sing? Raise your hands. Let me see. Who is going to sing for A? Okay, Pranita. Okay, Pranita sing A. Sing.
B. C.
Sing for A.
A.
Chapu. A to the I.
Wait, Rohita, let Pranita finish. And Somayam. Come on, Pranita. And Somayam. For sing me. Others, please be on mute mode. I'll call one by one and I'll ask you to sing. Others, don't unmute yourself. You sing in your place itself. Okay. Next is B. Who is going to sing for B? Who will sing? Let me see who is raising your hand. Dikshan. Come on, Dikshan. B for B. Come on.
And bring your ball back. Bring your bat and bring your ball back. Bring your bat and bring your ball back.
To the park to play. Ba. Okay. And then see who is going to sing.
Click
See
in
who
the
will sing. Come on, Rohita.
Chapu. Click.
Class. Class.
Right.
Class.
Okay. Thank you, Rohita. Next, who is going to sing for D?
D కూడా చెప్తావా?
Okay, let me watch you.
Rohita, mute yourself one by one. Everyone will sing. Okay, Rohita? Mute yourself. Okay, who will sing? Dev Chris. Come on, Dev Chris. Okay, I'll call Satvika. Next is Satvika. Very good, Dev Krish. And next is E. Kavyani.
Okay. X to the band, X to the band,
Eggs in the pan. Crack the egg like this. Okay, next is Satvika. Satvika will sing for F.
Well, she wants D.
D. Oh, I have finished with D. If you want to sing, you sing. I'll hear. Want to sing for D? Sing. Sing, Satvika. You want to sing for D? Look at me and sing. Come on. Play upon my drum. Satvika, but you have to learn all the alphabets, right? Whatever alphabet ma'am is showing, you have to sing, okay? Not only particular alphabet, okay, baby? Okay, next is F. Who is going to sing? Farnaz will sing for F. F for Farnaz is going to sing. Farnaz, are you there, Farnaz?
Yes, ma'am, she's here.
Sing.
My friend and I.
No. Oh, look at ma'am. You don't look at mama. Look at ma'am. Come on, sing. My friends and I went to the beach.
With my floating fish, I caught a hole and ate.
The air came out. Okay. Very good, Farnaz. And next is G. Who is going to sing for G? G. Who will sing? Tarnika. Come on, Tarnika.
The water cake is round a train. The water cake is round a train. The water cake is round a train.
Ga. Very good, Tarnika. Thank you so much. Next is H. Who is going to sing for H? Nightic. Come on, Nightic.
I like the hop, all laying down.
Up and down.
I like the hop, up
All around.
all
I like to hop, up and down.
up and down. Ha.
Very good, Nightic. Next is I. Who wants to sing for I? Who wants to sing?
Ma'am,
Who will sing? Hashni. Come on, Hashni.
it's the Marcelia branch. It's the branch. I eat this all over.
Very good, Hashni. Next is J. Who wants to sing for J? Yeah, I know J for Janu will sing. Okay, Janu. Children, Janu will sing. Oh, what will I eat with it? Judge. I know Janu will definitely sing for J. I know that. Okay, next is K. Who is going to sing for K? Children, those who already sang the rhyme, you should not raise your hands, okay? Everyone should get the chance. Where is the action, Siddharth?
Action.
Where is the action? Action. Okay. Okay, next is L. Who is going to sing for L? Nukita. Who is singing? Danvin. Who is singing? Okay, Danvin is singing. Siddharth, not for all the alphabet you should sing, Siddharth. All of them should get the chance, right? Okay? Okay, thank you, Siddharth. Okay, Danvin, come on, sing one more time, Danvin. Very good. Thank you so much, Danvin. Next is M. Who will sing for M? Who is going to sing? Nobody knows. Who knows for M? Nishant knows? Okay, one by one. Wait, okay. 1 minute. Okay, all of you mute yourself. Mute yourself, ma'am is going to sing. I want one chance to sing. I want a chance to sing. Ma'am is going to sing. I also need a chance, right? I will sing, okay? Mom and the dad makes many meals. Mom and the dad makes many meals for their hungry children. Okay, have to rub your stomach. Like that. It is N. N who is going to sing? Vishank is going to sing. I will select. Vishank is going to sing.
Share the aeroplane. Share the aeroplane.
What? Only ask coming. Janvi, mute yourself, Janvi. Come on. Vishank, come on, Vishank.
Share the aeroplane. Hear the
Shank.
aeroplane.
Airplane.
Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Hear the aeroplane. Making lots of noise. Yes, Vishank. Why are you not singing, Vishank? Come on, sing for this.
Oh,
Oh.
Time for bed and lights us off. Oh.
See, ma'am is going to sing and you are going to listen. Understood? No jumping.
Okay.
Listen. It's so dark, the lights go on. Oh. Time for bed, the lights go off. Oh. Okay? Okay, Shank? Done?
Done.
Okay, next is P. Who is going to sing for P? Let me see who is going to sing. Who will sing? Again, Tarnika, no. Ashley,
Man.
no. Who didn't sing, they have to sing. Nukshita, you didn't sing, right? Come on, Nukshita. Sing for P. No, Siddharth. No. Nukshita will sing. For the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff for the candles on the pink pig cake. Puff. Okay. Next is Q sound. Qua. What is the sound for Q? Qua. Okay. And then R. Who will sing for R? See my dog rip the rag. See my dog rip the rag when he pulls so hard. Daddy, can you sing the song for S? Daddy, can you sing the song for S? Daddy?
Taking the grass. Taking the grass.
The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Very good. Whoever sang, very good. Next is T. What's the song for T, children? Anybody knows? When I watch the tennis play, when I watch the tennis play, my head goes back and forth, cheer, and then it's you. What do you sing for you? Up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas, up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. Okay, next is V. Farnaz, you know the rhyme? V. Farnaz knows? You know Farnaz?
Van.
Drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Drive big van round the village. Ooh, okay? Next is W. I see the kites moving. Whoa. I see the clouds moving. Whoa. I see the trees bending. Whoa. The wind is blowing strong. And then I like this rhyme. X. What's the action for X? Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. X-ray of my hand. And next is Y. Who knows the Y rhyme? Who knows the Y rhyme? One, leave one. Okay, Dev Krish is going to sing. Okay, Dev Krish, come on, sing, Dev Krish. Dev Krish, come on, sing. Yeah. Very good. And next is Z. Who's going to sing? Okay. Have you ever heard a bee buzz? Have you ever heard a bee buzz buzzing like this? Very good, children. We finished. Alphabets over for today. And today we are going to see a new alphabet. Yesterday we learnt about Q, right? And then today we are going to learn about R. 1 minute. R. Okay, children? R. Capital R, small r. Capital R, small r. Okay, how will you write this small r, children? First, you have to put a standing line. Again, go in the same line up like this and a curve. Okay, you can see the worksheet also. First, start from number 1 with your pointer finger, and the worksheet number is D50LT. D50LT. Start from the number 1, come down, again you go up in the same line and a curve. Okay, children? Yes? Like that you have to write, and today's date is 8/9/2020. Yes, come on, write your date, write your name. And here you have R for ribbon, R for roller skates, R for rainbow, R for rose. Okay, R for run, R for rain, R for rabbit. Yes, whatever it is, it's related to R. Okay, children, those who have that worksheet, do it. Those who don't have lines given in that, you can continue writing with this worksheet. Write your name, write your date, and start writing it. Small r. You know how to write capital R? It will start from the red line to the blue line you will be writing, and then like P, first you have to write like P, and then from here a slanting line. R, capital R, and small r you will be writing like this. Standing line, go in the same line and a curve. That's it. Okay, children, standing line first, start a standing line and go in the same line and a curve. Okay, right in between the blue lines, children. Okay, try to write within the lines. Okay. Spell and write. Let me see who is spelling out. Ashni, spell out and write. Janavi, spell out. Come on, everyone, spell it out and write. Vivan, spell and write, Vivan. Naitik, spell, come on. Unmute, spell and write. Let me hear what you are spelling out. Order. Naitik, what are you doing, Naitik? R. Not R. It's R. That's it. Okay, next. Ritvik, come on. Unmute, spell and write. Unmute, spell and write. Let me hear from you. What happened, Ritvik? Got scared. Ritvik.
Mom, I am not scared.
Huh? You're not scared. Okay. You're a brave boy, right? Very good.
You can say scared of me.
Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next is Dev Krish. Come on, spell out.
R for rabbit. R for lemon. R for R for
R for R for R. R for, you can see the pictures. It's given in your worksheet itself, ma. Ribbon, rainbow, rose, roller skates. Given in your book itself, right? Okay. Next, who else? Diction, spell out. Come on. Diction. R.
ma'am.
R, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. No, right. Right. Right, Kana. Right. Kavyani. Are you spelling out? Is your hair is disturbing you?
Writing, ma'am.
Yeah, right. What is that letter?
R.
No, Mama will not help you hereafter.
No.
Think and what letter you are writing?
R.
Show me which is capital R.
Capital R. Small R.
Where is capital R? Show me. Show it in your worksheet. Where is capital R?
Okay, 1 minute, Vanilla.
You say 1 minute to your Mama, not to Vanilla, ma'am. Capital R and then small r. Where is small r? Okay, right. Good, right. Okay, unmute yourself, Kavyani. Nukshita. What, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Show me, ma'am, what you have written, ma'am. Capital R. Very good, Nukshita. Perfect, Nukshita. Following your line. Very nice. Good girl. Very good girl. Yes, Pranita. Finish, Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Sure. Good. Very good, Pranita. Good girl. Done. Good girl. Done when finish, ma. Finish. Show me. Okay, children, those are finished. Come on, be ready with your mama's dupatta or shawl, whatever you have. We are going to play tug of war today. Yes, shall we play? Those who finish, be ready with that, okay? Tug of war. One side your mama will be holding and another side you will be holding, and both of you have to, what you have to do? You have to drag it, okay? You have to drag your mama to yourself, okay? We are going to play the game. Those who finish, be ready with that, okay? Yes, Sarnika also finished. Okay, be ready with your shawl. One more worksheet, shall we finish, children? How many of you finished? Let me know. Our worksheet, how many of you finished? Yes. Let me know. Danvin finished. Darnika finished. Ivan. Naitik finished. Still writing. Rohita finished. Finish, Rohita. Very good. Kritik finished. Finish.
No.
Yes. Okay. Next is Dev Krish. Did you finish, ma? Writing. Okay. Right. Farnas finish. Finish, Farnas. Siddharth finish. Very good, Siddharth. Good, Siddharth. Okay. Hope every... Yes, Zaddy. Zaddy finish. Zaddy. 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 Come on, Zaddy. What are you doing, Zaddy? Look here. Look at mom, Zaddy. Zaddy. Where is your workbook? Did you write, Zaddy? Ready? Ready? You don't want to play? You don't want to play? Don't want to play tug of war? Yes? Yes, jaldi likho. Come on. Jaldi, jaldi, come on. Fast. Alright, no rhymes for Zadie. No rhymes. I will not play shark rhymes. If you are not writing, I'm not going to play shark rhymes for you. Go, I don't know. Yes, who else? Yes, Kavyani, okay, very good. Everyone has finished? Okay, we'll finish up with this worksheet also, children. It's D50MT. It's D50MT. We'll be having semicircle and circles in that. Color the semicircles with green color and circles with red color. Okay? I want you to take two colors, green and red. Okay, children? Semicircles first, we'll finish our semicircles. Wherever you see semicircle, you have to color it with green. Okay? Yeah, semicircle is here. And then here, umbrella. And then here you have a table, semicircle. Yeah, color it fully, children. I'm coloring only a part. You have to color it fully, okay? And then circles, red color we are going to color. Here. Circle, red. Here you have another circle, red. Here, red. Yes, finish it, children. Is Tarnika finished? Tarnika, how many circles are there? Count and tell me. How many circles are there? Yes? How many circles are there? Yes? Three. Okay, how many semicircles are there, Pranita? Yeah, show me in your worksheet what are semicircles. Point it out. Show me your semicircles, come on. Point out. Point it out and tell me. Come on, show me your semicircles. Yeah, you show me, I can see you. You can show me. Yes. Next, who else finished? Farnaz finished? Yes. How many semicircles are there, Farnaz? Count and tell me. How many?
K.
4. How many? Show it in your fingers. 5, 4, or how many? 3. Okay, very good. How many circles are there? How many circles are there?
Mama.
One,
many circles?
మ్యామ్కి చూపించింది
3. Okay, very good, Farnaz. 3. Super. Okay, very good, Farnaz. Okay, very good, Farnaz. Tarnika finish. Farnaz finish. Yes, very good. Come on, Farnaz. Go get your mama shawl and come. Those who finish will conduct tug of war. Come on, close your book. Ma'am is also going to come back, okay?
Push. Wait, ma'am.
You have to pull, no pushing. Pull, you have to pull.
When I'm done.
Yes? Uma? Who is that?
దిస్ ఇస్ రోహిత అని చెప్పమ్మా
When I'm this is Rota.
Yes, Rohita. Very nice. Good, Rohita. Good girl.
థ్యాంక్ యూ చెప్పు
Okay, Rohita, come on. Go get your mama's shawl and come. Come on, Farnaz and Rohita. Come on. Both of you. Yes. Kavyani. Very good, Kavyani. Very good, Kavyani. Where is semicircle? Which is semicircle?
Semicircle.
Okay, very good, Kavyani. Good. Very clear with semicircle and circle. Very good, children. Ready? Rohita is ready. Come on. Ready? When I say ready, steady, go only have to do. Okay? Tarnika is ready.
Coloring.
Yes, okay. Wait, you finish, okay? Two of you will join, okay? First, Rohita and where is Farnaz? Are you ready, Farnaz? Have to say yes, Farnaz. Farnaz, if you are ready, tell me yes. Farnaz is not ready.
Nancy.
Yes?
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
ready. Okay, shall we? I can't see you, Farnaz, mom.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children. Okay. You are ready? Very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. She's ready.
Very good, very good. 1 minute, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, ma. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I finished.
Yes. Okay, first Rohita and Farnaz will do. Dev Krish, very good, Dev Krish, I saw. Very good. Okay, Farnaz, ready? Hello. What to do? I'm always telling what to do. Okay, children, now start. Okay, unmute and you start. Unmute. Unmute and start. Yes, start.
వాళ్ళే
Come on.
వాళ్ళే
Oh my God. Very good. Unmute and do it. Rohita. Farnaz, come on, drag your mama, Farnaz. Don't leave your mama. Come on, drag her. Come on. You too, Rohita.
That call, man. See here.
Come on, Rohita.
Mom.
Nancy, here.
See here.
Yes, come on. Anyone, you have to win, right? Why nobody's winning? Rohita.
Mama. Where is Telugu?
Come on, Rohita. You're standing near the wall. And if you are pulling, what will happen?
I
Huh?
lost,
Me, see
ma'am.
person.
She won.
అలా మ్యామ్
I will get over.
See how she is laughing. Farnaz. What about you, Farnaz? 2-1, Farnaz. Farnaz only. Yes, you see her smile, how she is smiling. Yes, Farnaz has been very good. My children are very strong. Okay, next who is going to participate? It's Danvin and Tarnika. Okay, next it's going to be Danvin and Tarnika. Come on. Very good, all of you. Danvin, ready? Danvin, ready?
Mommy twin.
Yes, Danvin is ready. And then Tarnika, you're also ready? Rohita, mute yourself, Rohita.
Then
Yes, ma? Come on, wait, I'll say, then only you should start, okay? No cheating. No cheating, children, and no cheating, parents, okay? Ready? Ready? Steady? Go. Unmute and do the activity. Yeah, Tarnika. Come on, Tarnika. Come on, Tarnika. Danvin, don't leave. Come on, drag. See, you just twist the dupatta like this and you pull it. Come on. No, your mama is not leaving you. Danvin, come on, Danvin and Tarnika, come on. Tarnika's mom, see? Pull, Tarnika. Move back and pull. Move back and pull. Don't stand in one place. You have to move back. Go back and pull your mama to yourself. Yeah, Ashni is running here and there. Then when you take half an hour also, you're not going to drag your mama. See, that's going to happen. Come on. Yeah, no, Danvin, you didn't win. See, your mama, she's not at all leaving you to win. Very good, Danvin's mom. And then here, Tarnika, who won? Your mama. Here also, both of your mama won the match. Oh my God. What is this, children? Okay, next who is going to participate? Thank you, parents. Thank you, children, for participating. Next is Dev Krish and who else? Siddharth. Dev Krish and Siddharth. Dev Krish, come on, Dev Krish. Put your full strength in that, okay? And then Siddharth also. Come on, Siddharth. Siddharth, keep up my name, Siddharth. Come on, Siddharth. Pranita, mute yourself, Pranita. Siddharth, where have you gone? Dev Krish. Like Bahubali, he's going like Bahubali. Very good, Dev Krish. Come on, unmute and tell me, Dev Krish. Come on. I can't hear his sound. Come on, Dev Krish.
Dev Krish.
Say yes, ma'am, Dev Krish.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, drag your mama. Siddharth. What, Siddharth? Come on, drag Dev Krish. Come on, you can do it, Dev Krish. Dev Krish, mom, this is too much, Dev Krish, mom. See your son, how hard he's trying.
Okay.
Okay, Dev Krish won the match. Very good. And now it's time for Siddharth. Come on, Siddharth. Siddharth. Naitik is also dragging. Naitik, you're also dragging. Okay, do. Come on, do it. Siddharth. Who won, Siddharth? You won. Yes, very good, my boy. Very good. And then Naitik. What about you, Naitik?
Yes, ma'am.
Whom are you playing with, your mama or your daddy?
Brother.
Your brother. I can't see your brother. I think you are playing alone. Okay. Come on. I don't think you will win, Naitik. Oh my God. Come on, Naitik. It's hard. Then also you try. Okay, come on, Naitik. Oh my God. Superb, Naitik. Naitik won. Very good, Naitik. Nightic, brother, please be little bit. See how he's trying very hard. It's a very pow. Nightic, you won, Nightic. I tell you, you won the match, Nightic. Very good, Nightic. High five, Nightic. High five. High five. Very good, Nightic. Good boy, Nightic. Well done. Okay, next who is going to participate? It's going to be Hashni and Podendu, Hashni and Dikshan. Yes, Hashni, Dikshan, where are you? Others, take some rest.
Yes, ma'am.
Hashni,
Yes, ma'am.
ready? Whom are you playing with? You are playing with your mama?
Yes.
Daddy.
Yes? Okay.
Daddy.
Daddy, then it's too hard to win. Okay, come on. Try. Who is playing with you, Dikshan? Why nobody is showing your face? Let me see your face. Who is playing with you, Dikshan? Mummy is playing with you. Okay, let's start. Come on. Ready, steady, go. Come on, next it's going to be Vishang. Be ready, Vishang. Come on, drag Dikshan. Superhero, come on, do it. Come on. Climb up the stairs. Come on. Ashni. Not like this, Ashni. Come on, pull it. Pull towards yourself. Come on. You should not go, Ashni. You should not go. You have to pull.
You should not go.
Go back. Pull and go back. No, who is going to win? Time up. Come on, Hashni. No, my God. Hashni's father is very hard with Hashni. See, he pulled her. Okay, Hashni. Very good, Hashni, for your try. Diction also good. Very good, children. Thank you. Okay, very good, Hashni. Next is Vishang. Are you ready, Vishang?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, next. Vishang is going to play with. Vishang is playing with his mama.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Come on, Vishang, my boy. Come on. Vishang. Yay, Vishang won. High five, Vishang. Very good, Vishang. My boy, good. Next, it's who is going to do? Pranita, you finished? Yes, Pranita.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Come on, Pranita. Whom are you going to play with? Sorry? I can't hear. Who is that? Jahnavi. Next, it's going to be Jahnavi. Okay, first, Pranita, finish. Play with you. Come on, Pranita. Come on, first. Ready? Yeah, ready, steady, go. Come on. Come on, Mokshita. Oh my God, both are my children. What shall I do? Come on, Mokshita. Come on, Pranita. Anyone help from the back side, no? Yes, who won? Nobody. Pranita, you won. Very good, Pranita. Good girl, Pranita. Very good. Okay, next is Jahnavi. Ritik, be ready, Ritik, okay? Jahnavi, say yes, ma'am, Jahnavi. Where are you? Yeah, 1 minute. Yeah. Wait, I didn't say ready, steady, go, Jahnavi. Jahnavi. Hello? Wait. Be patient. Did I say ready, steady, go? Yes, now I'm going to say ready. No biting your nails. Ready, steady, go. Come on. Janvi's mom. It's very bad, Janvi's mom. Along with the chair. Very good, Janvi. Wonderful. Wonderful, Janvi. You always, you rock, Janvi. Very good, Janvi. Janvi's mom, you're too weak. What to do? See, you have to be strong like Janvi, no? What is this? Okay. Next is very good, Janvi. Next is Ritvik. Okay. Muralidhar is presenting? No.
Ma'am, ZD.
Zeddy, okay. Who is that Muralidhar is presenting? Can you please stop presenting?
With your mom.
Zeddy, 1 minute, Zeddy.
Bye.
Children, Kavyani, I think it's Kavyani. Kavyani, have to press stop presenting. Kavyani, Kavyani, have to press stop presenting, Kavyani. Kavyani, stop presenting will be there. You just click that stop presenting. Yes, Kavyani. Yes, or else you go back. Press the back button. Yes. Kavyani. Oh my God, Kavyani. Press stop presenting, ma. Kavyani, you're presenting your mobile. It is in presenting mode. You have to press stop.
5-month-old baby, ma'am. That's why
Sorry?
I have 5-month-old baby, so that's why.
Okay, just you press stop presenting. That's it.
Okay.
Actually, you are in presenting mode right now. In your mobile, you press stop presenting. That's it.
Yeah, okay.
See, whatever is in your mobile is visible. Kavyani. Oh my God. Okay, others, you pin my name. Okay, even if she's presenting, you pin my name. Okay, okay. Next, it's going to be Ritvik. Come on, Ritvik. Ritvik. Come on, Ritvik. Yes, Ritvik. One hand. With one hand. Unmute, Ritvik. Come on, unmute. Come on, Ritvik. Very good, Ritvik. Thank you so much, Ritvik. Okay, next is...
Kavyalini's father, please stop presenting. Kavyalini's father.
Actually, her mother is only there. She doesn't know what... She doesn't know how to stop that presenting. That's what. I've already told her. Anyhow, we are going to end up, right? So that's only the topic. Okay, next, it's going to... Who else didn't do, ma? Vivan. And then... Who else? Jahnavi finished.
Ma'am, ZD.
Yes, Zeddy, come on. That's what I'm searching. Where is Zeddy? Yeah, Zeddy. Come on, Zeddy. Ready? Steady. Go. Come on, Zeddy. Ready? Steady. Go. Right. Zeddy, you have to win, okay? Come on, Zeddy. Come on. Unmute and do it, Zeddy. Oh. Yes, Zeddy, one. Very good, Zeddy. Good girl. Very good girl, Zeddy. Superb, Zeddy. Next, Vivan. Come on, Vivan. Waiting for you, Vivan. Ready? Vivan's mom.
I'm unable to focus the camera.
Sorry?
I'm not able to focus the camera on this.
Okay. I think you can stand near that chair and do. Yeah, it will be visible there. You just move the chair and there you both of you stand and do the activity. Yes. Yes, Vivan. I'm not able to see you, Vivan. Oh my God. Vivan is playing? Okay. Come on, drag, Vivan. Good. Very good, Vivan. Yes, Nukshita also you can play. Nukshita, come on, Nukshita. Vivan, where are you going, Vivan? Yes, Vivan, one. Very good, Vivan. Nukshita, come on, Nukshita. Yeah, do it, Nukshita. Come on, Nukshita.
Ma'am, I'm doing it, ma'am.
Yes? Very good,
I'm doing
Nukshita. Yes,
it,
Kavi. Yes, Kavyani, you finished?
ma'am.
Did you
Finish.
play? Okay, who won the game? Who won the game? Who won the game? You only won the game? Come on now. Mm. Very good, Kavyani. Very good. Okay. Very good, Kavyani. Thank you so much, children. 1 minute. Let me present you a rhyme.
It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to go home. It's time to say goodbye. I had so much fun, and you had so much fun. We all had so much fun, and now we say goodbye. It's time to go home.
Yes.
Goodbye, Melina ma'am.
Yes, goodbye, children. Okay, thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation.